However, the major importance of the gold is different state when this beautiful yellowish color. Different state, when you heat up the gold, it becomes a dust, a white dust.
Monoatomic.
It is called monoatomic gold. Why is monoatomic gold important? It seems that when in that state, monoatomic gold, you mix it with the water, you drink, it helps you prolong the life and fight many diseases. Today we know similar scenario with the silver. Silver is used in that purpose. Up to certain amount, it is very beneficial. When you go beyond, it becomes poisonous.
Yes.
The same scenario goes for the gold. So the biggest value of the gold is to prolong the life, but generally to repair. You can repair the atmosphere with the gold. And it seems that those, if they existed, who were coming to this planet and mining huge quantities of gold, it was not only for them, but it was maybe to save, preserve, repair the planet. But anyway, so the gold is just 20 kilometers from here. So for the pyramid builders, also a very important element. The second thing I want to mention, you know, when you build the pyramids, you need a lot of material. In Egypt, they went to Aswan, 869 kilometers. Other places, they use granite also in China and Mexico, and they need to carry it for tens and tens of kilometers, which is a logistic nightmare. In our case, as you're going to see, they were making concrete. Our concrete consists of pebbles, rocks, and sand. Where did they find huge quantities of that material? Well, look at around us. 2 kilometers from here, in front of me, is the entrance to the Rame tunnels. 2 kilometers. So when they were digging, they were removing pebbles, rocks, and sand. What did they do with it? They move it here, just for a couple of kilometers. And then they mix it with the melted clay. That's another element for the concrete. Where they found clay, every hill, every mountain in Bosnia has millions of tons of clay. So they didn't need to go for hundreds of kilometers, which is, you know, a big practical problem. They had all the materials, unlimited quantities, just around the pyramid complex. So they dig under the ground, remove the material, and use it to cover the pyramids above the ground. Very important thing. All right, now let's go to the archaeological trenches.
Polymer.
Well, this is actually called geopolymer concrete. For geopolymer concrete, you can use as a base what's used here, pebbles, rocks, and sand, or you can use limestone. In Egypt, limestone is used for the geopolymerization. So it's type of the concrete. Geopolymer meaning concrete, the process of making artificially concrete.
But this